Studying math effectively requires a combination of proper planning, understanding the concepts, and consistent practice. Here are some tips to help you prepare and aim for a high score in your math exam. Understand the syllabus. Start by understanding the syllabus and exam pattern. Know which topics will be covered in the exam and allocate time accordingly. Organize your study schedule. Create a study schedule that allows you to cover all the topics before the exam. Break down your study sessions into manageable chunks, and allocate specific time slots for each topic or concept. Review basics. Ensure you have a strong foundation in the fundamental concepts of math. If you have any doubts or gaps in your understanding, review the basics before moving on to advanced topics. Take notes. While studying, take comprehensive notes. Summarize the key points, formulas, and examples in your own words. This practice will help reinforce your understanding and serve as a quick reference during revision. Seek clarity. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates for help if you encounter difficulties. Clarifying your doubts early on will prevent confusion from accumulating and will keep you on track. Practice regularly. Math is a subject that requires practice. Solve a variety of problems from textbooks, practice books, or online resources. Start with simple problems and gradually move on to more complex ones. Regular practice will improve your problem-solving skills and build confidence. Work on sample papers and past exams. Solve sample papers and previous year's question papers to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and gain insights into the types of questions asked. This will help you understand the exam format and prepare accordingly. Create a formula sheet. Compile all the important formulas, theorems, and concepts in a single sheet. Review and memorize this sheet regularly. It will come in handy during exams when you need to recall information quickly. Visualize concepts. Math often involves visualizing problems and concepts. Utilize diagrams, graphs, and other visual aids to better understand complex ideas. Drawing visual representations can also aid in problem solving. Review and revise. Regularly revise the topics you have covered. Set aside dedicated time for revision, preferably in shorter, frequent sessions. Reviewing regularly will reinforce your understanding and help you retain the information for longer. Test yourself. Take self-assessment quizzes or mock tests to evaluate your progress. Identify your strengths and weaknesses and focus on areas that need improvement. Analyze your mistakes and learn from them. Stay calm and manage time. During the exam, stay calm and manage your time effectively. Read each question carefully, and allocate time for each section based on the marks allotted. If you get stuck on a question, move on and come back to it later. Remember, achieving a perfect score requires consistent effort, perseverance, and a solid understanding of the concepts. Practice regularly, maintain a positive attitude, and seek help when needed. Good luck with your maths.